Welcome back to Seb's RC Obsession. And this box is supposed to be from eBay, a replacement body for my Arrma Vorteks 4x4 BXL with the spoiler, shipped with shipping. It was almost $10 for shipping, which I was still willing to pay because in the end I still saved some money. With shipping and tax came to about 42 and change, and both pieces separately would have cost me a minimum of $60. So I thought I'd open it while we watched. Well, you guys watched, I mean, obviously. Let's see here. See what we got. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's brand new, I've got to say. Peeling it, let's go. Oh yeah, looking good, brand new. The body's going for $40 normally and $20 just for the spoiler. So I got a little bit of a deal considering it's brand new. A lot of people were trying to sell their stuff used and all scratched up. And like, nah, thank you. Plus, I want to be able to take this down to, take this down to the beach, get some shots since I live in California on the coast, well, near the coast. Anyway, here we go. Brand spanking. Right on. Works for me. Put a little Under Armour in there. You know what I mean? Strengthen it like I did the other one. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you again. Please like, subscribe, share it, do something, comment, anything. Thanks guys, see ya.